Not gonna use that.
Why are you always carrying a coffee?
Should I put the coffee down? All right, guys, the ultimate showdown is here. We have this and we have that.
I thought you just said we were not using that. How about thing 1 and thing 2?
We have thing 1 and we have thing 2.
I like that one.
So, the showdown is today. He has brought something and I have brought something, and we're gonna run them. All right, so introduce yourself and tell us what you brought.
My name's Tommy, and I brought the Hellcat. I'm Hellcat, Tommy. Look out. There ain't a whole lot going on here. What's in here? Stock Ram TRX.
What kind of horsepower are you working with?
Oh, everyone says about a whole 700 and some, but it ain't. About 580. 580 wheel.
590.
590, 580, 590. What's 10 horsepower these days? Kind of Larry Hoovers you working with, boy?
All right, I'm out here today with my 2017 Ford F-250 Platinum. She has essentially, basically stock, you know, handful of mods. S370 Emperor turbo kit, full intercooler piping, S&B open style intake, Warren 55% over CP4, stock injectors, stock lift pump.
Essentially stock.
This is essential. Handful of other little parts, little things to adjust situations and whatnot. CCV reroute, coolant.
Why don't you just call it a bulletproof kit?
Our bulletproof kit is on there. Stock engine, stock trans, never touched either. Today we could probably break the transmission because it's 90,000, it's 700 some horsepower, and it doesn't want to shift. We went back to the factory tires for this race here because these aren't factory tires, they're factory wheels. Tires are open country Toyo AT2. Was running 37s, but I knew the 37s would have ruined our race here, so we went back to the 35s on there to give it an even match against our opponent over there, because those are 35s, so I figured we could run 35s. And then didn't do any type of weight reduction, still got the car seat in the back, and there's junk in the bed like garbage. I have to go to the garbage dumpster after this, so just out here running.
Talking about Willis, there's a grill and a propane bottle.
Ready for grilling.
Right. So you can stop and have lunch any time of the day.
Bust out the grill. So my projections for the day, it's going to be a fun day. The weather's nice. It's going to be a pretty even match up here. We can end up blowing up the transmission. We can end up getting smoked, or we can end up doing the smoking. So I don't know. I'm excited to see the outcome. Excited to see where we can take the rig and just have fun.
Round 1.
As soon as we straighten out. I'm ready. On go. 1, 2, 3, go.
That's never good. He was gonna win too, I think. Oh no.
Woo! We busted the transmission, dude. Oh man. Oh dude. Man, it went red line. 3 to 4 was. Whoa! We would have smoked that TRX. Absolutely burned it, dude. We were gonna be gone. I don't think she has another one in her.
You were gonna take me too. You were gone.
Worst ever slip. Worst one ever.
What gears?
Straight red line.
What gears?
3 to 4. it was gonna be gone.
Gone, dude. It was gonna sail. I'm literally to the floor. I'm like, wow, he's literally just leaving me.
Wow.
And then it was woo.
Did you hear it?
Yeah.
3 to 4 in the Powerstroke was terrible. It literally went to red line.
All right, round 2. I'm gonna shift early, so hopefully we don't blow out the trans. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Done let off because I don't know what he was doing, but when I seen him start to pick back up, I got right back in it, and that thing's quick.
I got a check engine light. Totally fumbled off the start there. Was way under the turbo completely, but we pulled right by, drove right by him. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! We're broke. We're broke, boys. We're broke. I got no throttle, nothing. We gotta pull over. We're broke. It says reduced engine power. Oh. Okay. Oh. We're off. We're dead in the water, dude. No start. Okay. We got a wrench, check engine light. Oh, buddy. DTC codes. That's the TC, that's the freaking TPMS sensor code. Clearing codes, no trouble codes found. Okay, let's try to start. Oh! We're purring. We're running. Dude. Let's get off the highway. Let's see how it drives. Shifting normal, feeling good, feeling all right. I think that the transmission just slipped so bad that it freaked the truck out, and it was kind of going into safety mode, and it just kind of shut her down. Cleared the codes on the EasyLink app. No real engine codes were even coming up. It was a TPMS code, because one sensor's bad in one of these wheels. So I cleared that, and it started. And now we're running, and now we're driving. So that one time, when I got under the turbo and it just fell on its face, were you floored?
did you stay in it?
I let off.
So you let off, and that's when I was like, no.
Yeah, well, as soon as because I could see out of my peripherals, I seen that you started picking back up, and I gave it to it, and then there was no chasing you. You were gone. I got back in, and I couldn't even begin to think about catching you.
That was a bad part on my deal. I just was like pumped up or something and just hammered it, and it was under the turbo, and it just didn't go. But then it went, and I'm like, oh, we're going.
Yeah,
I looked over at you, and I'm just,
oh God. I was like, oh,
all right, guys, we learned 3 things today. What we learned so far is the TRX is fast, the Platinum's way faster, and I love fast trucks. So after reviewing the footage, it's safe to say that the Platinum will definitely smoke the TRX. It's not even really going to be that close, even in manual mode and being in the right gear in the TRX. Platinum is running like 720 horsepower. TRX is about 590, which is totally obvious on the road. But for today's test, you have to take into account reliability. You know, where is the reliability standing here? The Powerstroke's about to hit 100,000 miles. It's lived its life, 90% of its life, over 600 wheel horsepower. And we don't treat that truck lightly. That truck gets used and abused often, very often. I hate to say it, the TRX wins today's competition. It has to, because it's the TRX wins.
How does it win?
The Powerstroke died on the road. It was done.
1 out of 3. 2 out of 3 whooped its ass.
Within the first like 20 feet.
Oh no, the first one we sat there.
First one slipped. Second one, bad driving on my part, was under the turbo. Get in the camera here. Second one, my fault, under the turbo. You were gone. You could have just hammered down and gone. That was me. That was a loss on my part. Yes, I know I came back a little and was going to pass you, but second round, you were the winner. First round, you were the winner because it slipped 4th gear. The blue truck will win. The black truck, it can't handle going from 3rd to 4th gear under full power on a 40 rolling launch in Mexico. It can't handle it. So the test today, under what we have done, the TRX is the winner. I know that we all wanted the Platinum to win, but it can't right now, under its power, hold 3 to 4. It can't do it. It can't hold it. It just shut off on the highway. It was
to say that
it was off. It slipped so bad that the computer just said, no, we got to shut her down. No throttle response, reduced engine power, went to the side of the road, it shut off.
all right, I pulled a hamstring.
Pulled a hammy. Well, let's get this thing modded out a little bit.
I think it's just a diesel thing.
Fast diesels are cool. No one can argue a fast diesel.
If you and some other person were racing, I mean, I guess it won. You have to. I guess it did.
It had to win today. Yeah. It's unfortunate. I know. It's unfortunate.
No
one wants the TRX to beat the Platinum, but today that's what happened. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that problem.
What a shame.
JB's depressed about the TRX winning today. All right, guys, there you go. If you thought this was cool, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This isn't over. This is far from over. A lot of stuff is going to be happening with the black truck, and a lot of stuff is going to be happening with the blue truck. So if you're interested in this journey, make sure to keep an eye out and follow along, because it's a ton of fun. We had a ton of fun out here today doing it. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared when the truck shut off on the highway. I was contemplating on who we were gonna call tow truck wise to come get the truck. But I cleared the codes on the EasyLink, started back up, and it's driving normal. We'll see you guys in the next one.
I bet you the blue truck would climb that.
Oh, yeah, dude, go right up at it.
You think?
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you this. I think the Powerstroke will wipe the TRX's ass.
It'll wipe its ass with the TRX.
Yeah.
Yeah, after reviewing the footage, the Powerstroke will totally win. We get the transmission done on the black truck, not even a question.